Hello student, once again welcome to our standard 7 mathematics exercise number 4.3 chapter number 4 simple equations. So here is the questions of exercise 4.3. Question number 1, solve the following equations. 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Divide by 2 also you can say. Second one, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So look at here answers of all the questions. Already we are knowing the rules of the equation solving. Keep the variable left side and number moving or shifting on the right side. Transposing the numbers 5 by 2 left to right. That left side is a plus sign which is moves to the right side. That means a minus 5 by 2. Now we are knowing the transport right side pay. 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 2 common. So 37 minus 5 gives us a 32 upon 2. 32 upon 2 that means 16. Is it or not? Yes. Now 2y. Again both the side we can divide with 2 cut on left side, right side with 16 to divide by 2 that means 8. Same way here second question. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. 28 is shifting to the right side. Left side it was plus sign. Right side it become a minus. So 10 minus 28 which gives us a minus 18. Okay, now removing 5 from the left side because it's a t and 5 is there. That's why. So 5 will cut. Right side 18 upon 5 but minus sign. A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Same way here, according to the B, 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. Yes, now it's in divide side, A upon 5. I can multiply with 5, then can only remove the 5. So as I multiply left side 5, I have to multiply on right side also 5. Yes, 1 into 5, 5, 5 is 5 and minus sign. Q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Same questions according to C. Why I divide with 4 only? Multiply 4. Because 4 is in division place. I want to remove it. I can multiply both the side 4. Same way here. Here no transposing. Directly we can cut it. I want only x on left side and right side whatever is there. So 5 by 2, reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 upon 5. Multiply both the side 2 upon 5. Yes, and simplify it. 5 2 are 5, 2 cut. Right side you can see 5 2 are 10. Minus 2 into 2 which gives us minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4. Correct. Look at the f. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 upon 4. Yes, I want to remove only, I know v. Yes, we can remove 5 by 2 by multiplying the reciprocal of 5 by 2. And reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. So both the side we can multiply and simplify it. At last we can get x is equal to 5 upon 2. Here we have 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. We can transposing 19 by 2 on the right side. Left side it was plus sign. Right side it become a minus. Undeka funda. Okay, now 13 minus 19 by 2. Actually 13 is not there. 13 upon 1 is there. So LCM of 1 and 2 is equal to 2. 13 2s are 26. 26 minus 19. Yes, 7. So 7 upon 2 is the simplifications. You cannot understand this question, students. Okay, let's check it. This one. 13 minus 9 upon 2. Isn't it? This is our simplifications. So 13 multiplied by 2. First of all, 13 2s are 26. Because here 1 is there. That's why I have to multiply both the side 2. Isn't it? Correct. Now 13 2s are 26 and 9 upon 2. Yes, now both the denominator are common. 2. Take common one time. 26 minus 9. Will you do it for this one, beta? Who will do the first? 26 minus 9. 19. Sorry, beta. 19 is there. Yes, 7 upon 2. Correct, right. Correct. 7 upon 2. Is it here 7 upon 2? Simplified is okay? Correct. Now I want to remove this 7m. 7m में से मुझे m रखना का है, 7 निकाल देने का। तो मैं क्या करूँगा बेटा? 7 से डिवाइड करूँगा। 7 से जब मैं डिवाइड करता हूँ बेटा, तो मुझे राइट साइड भी 7 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। But I had already 7 upon 2. Again 7 divided by 2 and divided by 1 upon 7. So 7 cut both the side and m is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Yes, correct. H. 6z plus tan is equal to minus 2. So 6z is equal to minus 2 minus tan. Why minus tan? Because on the right side it is moving minus 12. So I want to remove what now? 6, correct? Both the side divide with 6. At last I will get z is equal to minus 2. You got it? Yes, correct. So don't forget to put the minus sign. I. 3l upon 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Both the side we can multiply. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 cut. Left side only L is left. Right side you can say 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That means 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. L is equal to 4 upon 9. You see? You also got it. Now try to solve this one. Minus 5 is transposing to the right side. Which sign will come here now? Yes, you are right, my dear student, plus sign. So 3 plus 5, 8. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3. उसको उल्टा कर दो बेटा. 3 by 2. Both the side 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Left side all cut. Right side 4 2s are. So 4 3s are 12. So B is equal to 12 is the answer. Is it? Correct. So question 1 we have solved here. Move to the question number 2. Solve the following questions. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. 3n minus 5 is equal to 21. Like that way, h the. See the answers for each and every one. I made the simple box. Yes, some students were asking me, can we write like this way in our fair book? Why not? You can use your all pages, part of the all pages, any directions. Specify the question numbers. So first we can remove the 2, both the side divided with 2. I have the x plus 4 is equal to 6. Same way here, x is equal to 2. How? 6 minus 4, correct? I can remove 3 both the side divided by 3 and minus 5 is equal to 7. I will move on right side, so n is equal to 12. Yes, 3 is divided, again minus 5 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 5 which gives me a minus 2. n का वैल्यू मिल गया बेटा 2. वेरिएबल n is equal to minus 2. A bigger number sign will come in the answer. Again B. Yes. First of all, we can multiply a brackets. Expand the bracket. 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is multiplied with the y. But here minus, see this 2 has to multiply with this one. Minus 2 and 2 minus y. This is the question, students, now. So 3 is as it is, minus 2 and 2. That means 4. Now minus into minus, this 2 and this 2. Is it or not? And 2y. Is it here? Can you get it here? Yes, correct. Same way, now 3 and 4, that means minus 4, minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 2y is equal to 7. Minus 1 on the right side, so it will become 8. 2y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2, that is a 4. Look at the E answer. It is also easy. Now you have the method. You can go through directly. Yes. This is the second method. You can use it here or divide with the right sides. You will have the answer. Correct. So any method you can follow, answer remains the same. As you can say E and F with the method of A, B, the answer remains the same. Final answer remains the same, G. Now you can use this method only, E, F, G wala or H wala, because in higher standard this method is very, very useful and very easy shorted method. So in G, P is equal to 7. Here variable name is P. So here different name of variables are given for your practice. Correct. H. 34 minus 5, P minus 1 is equal to 4. Correct. Why? P is equal to 7. Question number 3. Solve the following equations. A to F. 4 is equal to 5, P minus 2. Students, here they make you a confusion. Variables are given on right side. Both the sides you can use it. Left side or right side. So don't worry about the left or right. Go through it. Easy? Yes, my dear student, you are right. At last, you can transpose. इसको जाना दो, इसको उधर जाना दो. बात खत्म. Same way here, P is equal to 5, 6 by 5. It's a proper fraction. Yes. 5P is equal to 6. That means P is equal to 6 upon 5. Minus 16 is equal to minus 5, 2 minus 5. Very easy method, you can use it. You can go through anyway. But steps remain the same and final answer also remain the same. अब कुछ भी method ले लो बेटा. Mathematics says that is a magic. Answer remain the same. P is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Okay, wait. Here some student has the doubt for this one. Why here these steps how came? So student step is minus 16 is equal to minus 10 plus 5p is the step, isn't it? Now this minus 10 has to come on left side. Left side transpose karte beta. Minus 16 as it is. This is transposing to this side. This is a minus sign will become a plus 10. Isn't it? Yes. And is equal to what is that here? 5p. Can you see here? Okay. Minus 60 plus 10. What you will get? Yes, you will get minus 6 and right side is a 5p. Can I write like this? 5p is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 6. मैंने क्या किया बेटा? उल्टा पुल्टा कर दिया. इसको ऐसे जाने दिया लेफ्ट को राइट में जाने दिया राइट को लेफ्ट में. No positioning changing. Yes? Correct? Why not? So this method is P is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Is it? Correct. Look at the D. Method is same. 6 both the sides cut 0. 6 minus 6 0. 0 divided by 3 again 0. 0 is equal to T or T is equal to 0. Both is the same. E. Can you imagine why it's a 24? Yes, see the both the side. Right side 4 is missing. That means 28 minus 4, which gives us a 24. Right side now only 3t plus 5. So 3t plus 5, 3 is a 15. Okay, why it's a 9? Anyone has the idea? Yes, you are right, my dear student. 24 minus 15, which gives us a 9. And why it's a 3 only? And right side only t, because divided by 3 both the side. 9 divided by 3 gives us a 3, and 3t divided by 3, that gives us a t only. Yes, very good question. Left side 0. Right side 16 plus 4, m minus 6. At last we can get 2 is equal to m, or you can say m is equal to 2. Question number 4 on your screen. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. Very good questions. X is equal to 2 होना चाहिए. Equations are here. Is it there? X is equal to 2. 5 5 दोनों साइड से कट कर दिया. Yes, 7 7. X is equal to 2 ही आता है. इसका आंसर देख लो. X is equal to 2 मिलता है. कोई भी आंसर में देख लो. 20 divided by 10. X is equal to 2 आ गया बेटा. इसमें भी देख लो. 5 5 कट होके X is equal to 2 मिल गया. Yes. 5x minus 3. 3 को उधर जाने दिए बेटा. क्या मिला आपको? 10. So 5x is equal to 10 and 5 dividing both the side. So x is equal to 2. Your equations are there. Countless equations you can make it. Not here whatever I am showing. Look at the B. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. जिसका आंसर minus 2 आना चाहिए. कोई भी बना सकते बट ऐसा नहीं जरूरी. Yes, 2x is equal to minus 4. Very good. As is it? 3x is equal to minus 6. 3 को इधर दोनों से काट दिया. x is equal to minus 2 मिला आपको आंसर. ये वाला x समझ लो बेटा. It is also right. 7 को उधर minus 6 बन गया. 3 को डाल दिया डिवीजन में. It is also x is equal to minus 2. 3x plus 10 is equal to 4. Why not? Same one. Minus 10 हो गया बेटा. 4 minus 10, that means minus 6. Same answer. So I think it is so easy questions for you. Yes. Correct. I can see your notebooks. Here we end up our exercise. Let's finalize last exercise.